V sine, I will take V sine. One VDC voltage, VDC voltage, and then SCR, SCR it is 2N1595. In the browser also you can just take the library browser, get new part 2N1595. In the beginning itself you can see 2N1595. Okay, that is the SCR number. You can take this component SCR, you place it on the workspace. I will rotate this, Control R for rotation. I'm rotating this and just drag and keep it for connection. And I'm taking ground here, just connect it. Only this many components, connect the wiring. This is about the connection of SCR. Very, very simple circuit. Here you can see gate terminal is there. You can just connect it here, gate terminal. Diode followed by that extra symbol, gate terminal. Okay. Now this resistor I am going to give 500 ohms. 500 ohms. It is R1 resistor 500 where we will be checking the final current. And R2 resistor I will give 2K. R2 resistor I will give 2K. This DC voltage I will be giving 5 volts. DC voltage I will give 5 volts.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Devanand is waiting also.
Huh? I allowed everybody. Let them wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Encourage them who are late. I know how to handle. Now this DC 0, V sine it is 0. AC again it is 0. V off it is 0. Then V amplitude it is 12. Frequency it is 50. Okay, these are the values. Kindly note down. V sine I am giving. For V sine, the value as I am giving DC 0, AC 0, V of 0, V amplitude 12, and frequency 50 Hertz for V sine. Then VDC 5 volts I am giving. R1 500, R2 2K. Only these are the values we have to give. And then go to analysis setup. Otherwise, this is the symbol for analysis setup. And click on transient. And for 0 millisecond to 100 millisecond, I will check the graph 0 to 100 millisecond. Transient 0 to 100 millisecond. Okay. Close this. Now simulate. This is the circuit. You can take a photo of the circuit if you want. 500, then 2K. This is VDC 5. And here V sine, we have given V amplitude alone 12 volts. And transient setup 0 to 100 milli we have given. And just I am simulating the circuit. Name of the file, I will give SCR3. Let us, SCR3 is my file name. Save. Now the waveform, it is a black window. Go to add trace. R1 is the resistor where I want the waveform. Current in the R1 resistor, that is the waveform. This is the R1 here, not yet selected. You click on this IR1. It is getting selected here. Now OK. The graph for IR1 will come. This is the half wave rectifier. Voltage or current waveform in the R1 resistor. Voltage and current waveform, it will be like a half wave rectifier in the SCR application of SCR half wave rectifier. Just click on the window settings, right click on the window settings, go to x-axis, then click on axis variable, then somewhere in the half of the, you drag the cursor almost to the half, you can see this 11A, voltage 11A, you have to select this voltage 11A, then OK, and then again OK. You will get this SCR characteristics graph. I showed you in the theory SCR characteristics graph. You can see the x-axis minus 12 to plus 2. X-axis it is minus 12 to plus 2. Okay, I will change it from minus 2 to plus 2. Up from minus 12, okay, it is a horizontal line. I don't want all this. The behavior is already clear. So I will take only minus 2 to plus 2 for clear visibility of the graph. Again, right click on the graph. Right click on the graph, settings. Now go to x-axis, select the user defined and let it be minus 2 volts to plus 2 volts on the x-axis. Okay. Now you can see x-axis is minus 2 to plus 2. The graph is more visible compared to the previous one. Okay. So after getting the half-wave rectifier, right click settings, x-axis, axis variable, then 11A, V11A, you will get the characteristics of SCR. Okay. So I have shown you the two graphs. One is half-wave rectifier application in SCR application. One of the application of SCR is half-wave rectifier. Secondly, it is the SCR characteristics. Okay, current or voltage graph. This is SCR characteristics. Current on y-axis, voltage on x-axis. Okay, current on y-axis and voltage on x-axis. This first quadrant graph we are getting in the waveform. First quadrant graph we are getting on the waveform. Okay, based on the design values, we are getting this portion of the waveform.